Subtract the two proper rational expressions. These rational expressions are considered proper because the degree of the top is less than the degree of the bottom. Both of these numerators are constants, and the degree of a constant is 0. And both of these denominators have a degree 1, and that means that these two rational expressions are both proper. In order to add or subtract rational expressions, we need to write them with a common denominator. And the least common denominator is the one that we're after. So we'll call that the LCD. And when these denominators don't contain any shared factors, the LCD is just going to be the product of those two denominators. So we need to multiply this first rational expression by x minus 2 over x minus 2 so that it now contains the LCD. And the second rational expression would need to be multiplied by x minus 3 over x minus 3. So now we can rewrite the subtraction problem where the first fraction is going to be 3 times x minus 2 over the LCD of x minus 2 times x minus 3. And then from that we subtract 2 times x minus 3 over the LCD of x minus 2 times x minus 3. And since both rational expressions now contain the same denominator, we can combine these two over the same denominator where we're looking at a numerator that is now 3 times x minus 2 minus 2 times x minus 3. Let's simplify that numerator by distributing the 3 into the parentheses and also distributing negative 2 into its parenthesis. So our numerator then becomes 3x minus 6 minus 2x plus 6. And this is all still over that denominator of x minus 2 times x minus 3. We see that these 6's cancel out, and we can also combine like terms here, where we have 3x minus 2x is now just x in the numerator, and in the denominator we have x minus 2 times x minus 3. And since we can't simplify this any farther, this is the final result of having initially subtract these two rational expressions.